Hello again, Pietro here. Another unboxing. Make a small incision. I don't know what this is because it has kind of this generic packaging from Amazon. Yes! It is a ring sizing kit from Dreame. See, right there? Dreame. Okay, we're gonna make a small incision. Oh, you can almost hear that. Definitely hear that. Nice and light. You know that it's quite interesting because, as you can tell, I'm into rings. If you watch the videos, charging cases there, the boxes keep getting smaller and smaller for the sizing kits. A little pull to open there, and that was one of my lights jiggle. Oh, there's another one. There we go. Now we can get the suction noise, hopefully. Nice smell. Dreame. Ooh. Wax paper. And in lots of languages. I like that it's wax paper. Nice little sizing kit. Please select your size, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or 13. And it also has it in a different language as well. Cool. I always wonder, I mean, are they 3D printed? Are they molded? Now this one is interesting. So this is a size 12, and that's the size I wear in Aura, and also this is my Luna ring, and that's all I'm gonna say. Oh, okay. Some of these sizing kits that I've received over the years, they don't label the ring, so you'll take a couple of them with you during the day and wear them, and then you're like, ah, crap, which size was this? So thank you for labeling the size. That's very important. So the 12 feels pretty good. Let's try the 11 on the index finger. But I think what I'll do is I'll stop wearing ring comb for a while. Oh yeah, the 11's feeling really good on my right ring finger. The 10, a little too tight. I'm thinking 11. I'll try 11 and 12 tonight. I recommend wearing them to bed, wearing them working out, wear them while you wash your hands. Definitely wear them outside when you're working out. Always close your knife, right, Malakwa? Knife safety. Because your fingers are gonna shrink and did I say shrink? Yeah, shrink and expand. You know, they change throughout the day. All right, nice sizing kit, nice and low profile, very simple. It's a sizing kit. So I'm gonna wear 2 of these at night and see which one I prefer. And we'll go from there. Funny enough, my ring sizes aren't a huge difference between left and right. Is that how it is with you? Anyway, Dreame sizing kit. More about these soon. That'd be cool if somehow they could add scent to the plastic. That would be fun. Like licorice or maybe peppermint, but it's just smells like plastic. But I like to have various sizes. Again, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. There we go. That's the sizing kit. I'll have the ring soon.